Hi, my name is Aaron, and I have hiccups, and they're really loud. Just watch me. I'm gonna stare at the camera awkwardly for a little bit. Yeah. Okay, I didn't do it. Man, this is so funny. I'm not even like trying to exaggerate it. It's just like doing it by itself. Look at that. It's just crazy. I don't know why it's like so loud. They're getting. I think they're getting worse. If I don't do something about it, I think I could die or something. Dang, it's starting to hurt. So loud. I think I should get rid of this. Yeah, this is not cool. They're getting worse. I think I could die. It's getting, it's getting worse. It's getting worse, yo. Look at that. Oh my god. I tried everything when I was at lunch. I tried holding my breath and swallowing 3 times. That didn't do anything. The only thing I can do now is get a mouthful of peanut butter. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, let's see. Peanut butter. I better have some freaking peanut butter, man. If I don't, I'm gonna die of hiccups. Ah. Oh, voila! I'm in critical condition right now. I have to treat myself. We'll turn this fan off. Okay. We have everyone's favorite peanut butter. Let me show off my hiccups one more time. Okay. So that is my hiccups. Gonna try this. A mouthful of peanut butter. Peanut butter. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that's nasty. Still got him. WTF, man. I think my hiccups got so strong that not even peanut butter can diffuse this strong. This peanut butter is good though. I need a bigger spoon. Let's see. Wow, that was gay. Alright, hold on. Dude, this is ridiculous. I should do a Google search. How to get rid of hiccups. 6 minutes. Gosh, this sucks. This one dude tried this stupid trick. Never mind. I'm not even gonna explain it. It's stupid. All right, this freaking thing of peanut butter. That's a lot of freaking peanut butter, man. I should do it. I'm just gonna stick all this in my freaking mouth. It's pretty nasty. It's pretty nasty. Hopefully I don't throw up. Okay. Alright. Okay. Ew. Oh my god. Oh, this sucks. Oh no, it's not working. Oh, ew. Oh. Ugh. I've never had a hiccup this out before. I think I'm actually in danger. They're getting worse. Let me try. Let me try drinking water like upside down. I heard that works. Nope. Maybe I should do a Google search. How to get rid of hiccups. How to get rid of hiccups. Here we go. Have you tried everything? Exhale completely. Okay. I hope they're gone. That was like, I think they're gone. I think this website worked. No more hiccups. Yes. Okay. This has been Aaron. Bye.